Hi, and welcome back to bingo.lu, the new real estate platform in Luxembourg. In my first video, you already saw how you can save your search by this menu bar. Today, I will show you how you can save your search by the dashboard. So you click on the dashboard when you are logged in, and there you see the overview with the favorites and the saved searches. So you click on Add a new search. You can give your search a name. For example, I am looking now for a flat around Echternach. There I can say, okay, I want to circle an area. Like this. I am looking to rent. I can choose the property type, which is a flat in my case. You can add a minimum price or a maximum price. I will say 1,500 euros. I go to the next step, and there I can add some specifications. For example, the subtype, the bathrooms, the parkings, the condition, if it's furnished or not, the floor area, I want minimum 50, the land area, the thermal class, other attributes, I want to have a balcony or a terrace, I click on next step. And here's the summary of my research. So you can check if everything is okay. You can choose the frequency of your email notifications, where I recommend to put it on instantly. And I can choose if I want to be contacted by the agents. And there I can save my search. Thank you for watching and have a great day.